Today we'll be talking about Texas history in our book display. Our texts are coming from 113 19 Social Studies, Grade 7, School Year 2011-12. The texts, knowledge, and skills are coming from 1B, 9A, 1A, 2D, and 3C. The language arts portion of the texts are coming from 110.20, knowledge and skills 2E and 15A I. As a portion of the knowledge and skills for language arts, the activities for 7th grade will be vocabulary, that they can use the textbook, Texas Lone Star Land. It is a book that is basically like a textbook. And if we turn to page 51 in this book, it shows the same regions. The students will label these regions. And then on here, on this poster board, if you can see it really good, it's a drawing of the state of Texas. And each one of these tags are the labels, the Great Plains and the portion of Texas where the Great Plains lie, the Mountain Plains, the Coastal Plains, and the North Central Plains. And on the start objects, I labeled what kind of living a person can make living in this area. Texas is a state that is mainly manufacturing, oil-related industries, and agriculture. The North Central Plains has tourism, such as Dallas, Texas. It lies in the North Central Plain. I'm currently in the Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, East Texas, coastal region, coastal plains. Each one of these books tell a little piece of the Texas history. You have Texas history stories, and it tells a little bit about Texas and its very origin, some of the battles that happened in order for Texas to gain its independence. And then you have the Battle of San Jacinto, where Texas actually gained its independence. The other famous battle was the Alamo. This book talks about the Alamo. I like this book because it gives facts and it seems kind of like an almanac, and it's quick and to the point. You can pick out some of the information that you really want to get to. It just kind of summarized the main points, like where's the Alamo and why was the Alamo built. One of the things that I liked about this book is that it also told where the name Alamo came from. Alamo came from the tree that the building is near, and this building is near a tree called Alamo. And it's spelled the same way, except it has different, I guess, markings on the top of it because it is a Spanish origin. Finding Texas in the New Lands. It talks about the sailing to the coastal plains and the mapping off of the Gulf. And this book also talks about some of the slavery where they did bring in slaves from Jamaica. And a few people that I've known did not know that some slaves came from Jamaica. So some of these books are really good to draw out information. Mainly the activities that we're going to do, we're going to focus on the Texas itself, the regions and where the battles took place, San Antonio. We're going to label those on this map. We're going to draw it out and label it on a poster as an activity. And the other activity we will do is that we'll cut out magazine pictures and put some of the flowers that we find from some of the books, such as the bluebonnet and roses, because Tyler is known as the rose capital of Texas. And that concludes my book presentation. I hope you enjoyed our activities and some of the vocabulary that we'll do for our language arts learning.